पकड़ इधर पकड़ वो छोड़ चल चल अरे पकड़ना रे ये उड़ाना भाई इधर में पकड़ के आगे आओ छोटू बाबू आगे आओ
Derived directly from US motorcycle boat track racing in the early 1900s, the very first Carnival Motordrome appeared at Coney Island Amusement Park, New York in 1911. The following year, portable tracks began to appear on traveling carnivals, and in 1915, the first cylindromes with perpendicular walls were seen. These motordromes with perfectly straight walls were soon dubbed the Wall of Death. This carnival attraction became a staple in the US outdoor entertainment industry, with the phenomenon reaching its zenith in the 1930s with more than 100 motordromes on traveling shows and in amusement parks. The riders start at the bottom of the drum in the center and ascend an initial ramped section until they gain enough speed to drive horizontally to the floor, usually in a counter-clockwise direction. This act is famous in the United Kingdom and often is seen at fairs. In the 2000s, there remain only few tours of the Wall of Death: the Demon Drome, Mesham's Wall of Death, and the Wall of Death World Tour. These touring groups use the original American Indian motorcycles, which have been used since around the 1920s. The most authentic of these being the Demon Drome, which uses the oldest Wall of Death. They also use original 1920s Indian Scouts and are the first to put an Austin 7 car on the Wall of Death since the 1950s. A similar act called the Globe of Death has the riders looping inside a wire mesh sphere rather than a drum. This form of motorcycle entertainment had a separate and distinct evolution from carnival motordromes and derived from bicycle acts or cycle whirls in the early 1900s. India too has such an act to be proud of.